Hello everyone, back with me Chris D again. Today I'm going to talk about the homemade sour cream I made yesterday. For those who missed my homemade sour cream video, I'll post the link on the description. So please refer to the link. Okay, so now let's see the result. So this is the sour cream which already with mixture which are already mixed and let sit for 24 hours. As you can see, there is some transparent liquid on the bottom of the jar. This is actually called whey, and this indicates that our sour cream is formed. So now I'm gonna transfer this to different storing jar. Today I'm going to use this storing jar. This actually was a jam jar, but I already cleaned it, so you can use any jar actually. So let's get started now. Let's remove the lid. You wanna see? Look. You can only take the white substance, which is the sour cream, or you can mix it with the whey. If you mix it with the whey, it will have, well, I think less consistency. But for me, I personally will just mix it, so it will be easier. So I'm gonna give it a good stir. Look at that. Look at that. It's quite has a consistency. So give it a good stir. Look, it will be like this, and I don't know if it's enough or not, but let's just move it, shall we? Yeah, I think that's it. It fits just right. So you can store this homemade sour cream in the refrigerator for maybe around 1 or 2 weeks. Yeah. Uh, and actually, if this kind of consistency doesn't fit your cup of tea, you can add some thickening agent like gelatin or some flour, cornstarch, etc. But for me, I'll just use as it is, and I'm planning to use this for my cheesecake. So if you're curious about my cheesecake, press the subscribe button to stay tuned with me, as I'm gonna upload about it as soon as I can, perhaps this week. So I think that's it for today. See you later on my next video, guys. Cheers!